Good afternoon, my name is Matthew from Axel, and today I'm making a short video to show how to configure an Axel terminal to connect to a Citrix cloud solution. So first of all, I'll show you what we aim to achieve. So after powering on the terminal, it runs DHCP. It's now looking for the Citrix environment. I'll authenticate myself. We're now authenticating. Only one resource is being published on Axel desktop, so we automatically, with no user intervention, run that. So the first thing the user sees after entering their credentials is their Windows desktop. So I'll now run through the configuration showing how to make this happen. So from a factory defaulted terminal, I will select English keyboard. The terminal name is by default Axel followed by the MAC address, but this can be changed. I will enable remote control, which will let the administrator connect remotely to the terminal for support. The Model 90 does support 2 monitors, but I only have one currently connected. I will leave DHCP enabled. For the connection type, I will choose Citrix receiver and Citrix receiver desktop. Here I enter the storefront URL. No printers connected, no memory sticks connected. Here's a resume. Now there are a couple of settings to double check. One, depending on your firmware version, you might need to increase the TLS from 1.1 to 1.2. And within sessions, the Citrix desktop receiver, what we can do within desktop parameters is if we only have one resource being published, i.e. one desktop, we can automatically have that executed, and this just saves the user from clicking on the desktop icon that appeared up there. Right, I'll save everything and quit out. Now one further thing to show, if we press Ctrl-Alt-Shift-I, an info window pops up, and from here we can see various parameters. Of particular interest is the codecs being used. So currently we're using RGB and JPEG, which are the standard HTX codecs. What we can do in the configuration is configure the terminal to use H.264. So going back into setup, Citrix desktop, bandwidth, down here we can enable the H.264 codec, quit out and save. To enable H.264, a specific policy needs to be configured on the server. So now we're connected. If we do the Ctrl-Alt-Shift-I, we can now see in the middle H.264 is being used. And if we run a video, for example, we'll see a significant improvement in performance in doing this. So the quality is pretty much TV quality. I'll try and move it onto some action. So this is a connection over a wide area network connected to a hosted Citrix desktop. So I hope you found it interesting. If you have any questions, then please contact Axel and we'll be happy to answer. Thank you very much, and bye for now.